Okay, so career decisions. So the objective for today is to use a process to develop a career plan, identify career choices that match interests and abilities. Last but not least, develop a SMART goal to help achieve a chosen career. Next. Okay, so let's read this conversation between two friends. Did you have your meeting with the guidance counselor yet? Yes, she asked about my plans for the future. Oh man, I'm not looking forward to my meeting. I don't know what to say. I mean, I guess I want to go to college and get a good job, but I really don't know what I want to do. Try not to worry about it. I just happen to have been thinking about it for a while. I told the guidance counselor that I wanted to go to college and study biology and then go to medical school. How do you know that's what you want to do? Last year, my grandmother was sick, and I started thinking about being in health care so I could help other people. I volunteered at the hospital, and that helped me decide that that is definitely what I want to do. I guess I need to start thinking about what I want to do for the future. Okay, so now, do you have a plan? Do you know what you want to do after high school? Do you have a plan to achieve this goal? So that's what the activity is going to be about. There's basically 4 steps for this to create the plan for the future. Step 1, reflect. Step 2, research. Step 3, set goals. And the last but not least is to review. Okay? So choose the correct answer and select submit. When trying to determine a career plan, what is the first piece of information you should consider? So your current school grades, your talents and interests, your location, your parents' occupation. For this one, I think it's going to be your parents and interest, and that is correct. Very good. Next, choose the correct answer and submit. Let's do one more and then we go on because there's several of these and I don't have that much time to record. Once you determine which career fields may be a good fit for you, the second step is the planning process. Okay? The second step is the planning process, is to review what you would like to do when you are not at school or work. Consider your academic strengths and weaknesses. Complete an interest survey to determine whether it is good for you. Do additional research about what kind of career exists in that field. This one is actually hard. Let's see if that's it. Submit. No, see, I got it wrong. Okay, so once we determine what's a good fit for you, the second step in planning is I already saw that the third choice was not correct. Let's see if this one is correct, where you got to determine your strengths. No, that's not it. Do additional research. Let's see if that's it. Yes, finally. So we have to do additional research to determine what career may be a good fit for you within that field. Step 1, self-reflect. The first step is making a career decision is to reflect on your interest and academic strengths and resources. Okay, so as you continue working through this activity, keep thinking about your interest and academic strengths. Step 2, research the career. Okay, within a career field, there may be many options you can pursue. The medical field is a great example. Select each job title to review the differences between the careers in the same field. Okay, so you can do this from the website, so I'm going to skip this just because this app will only allow me to record for a few minutes. So, if you're home, you can go ahead and click on each of these by logging into the website and seeing the different answers. Okay, so step 3, setting goals. Okay, so set goals using the SMART acronym. Select each letter to learn more. Again, SMART. What does SMART mean? Specific. Your goal should contain specific details about what you want to achieve. Measurable. M stands for measurable. You should be able to measure and track progress towards your goal. Attainable. Your goal should be small enough that you are able to complete it in a realistic time period. You may need to break larger goals into smaller goals to make them attainable. Relevant. Your goal should be relevant to what you want to achieve. Don't include anything that does not move you towards your goal. Last but not least, timely. Your goal should be a specific time frame in which you are going to complete it. Okay, so you guys that are home, log into the website, click on each one of these, and see what each one says, because I will run out of time. Okay, so again, if you're home or if you're in person, you can log into this website and do this quick check. Okay, again, this you can do from home, from the website. Step 4, reviewing your choices. Sometimes situations in life may cause your plans to change. These situations could be good. For example, you get a college scholarship, or bad example, or bad. For example, one of your parents loses a job. Things can happen in life that can make your goal unachievable. Once you've set your goals, remember to review your life and reevaluate your plans every once in a while to see if you're still in the right path. Again, you can do this quick check from home. Connections to your life. So now what you're going to do is you will be working on the career decision worksheet. Once you complete the worksheet, email it to me, and that'll be it. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.